Semiconductors and the future career. How to consider about that? There are so many things to think about when it comes to semiconductors because it's everywhere in our life. And if we are genuinely interested in semiconductors, then we want to know more and what are other perspectives. And if our genuine interest is not in the semiconductor as a technology itself, but in some other area, then it's good to know more about the semiconductors so we can apply our knowledge on top of the semiconductors. That is why it is good to have an introductory course which gives these perspectives. Something about how semiconductors function and the technologies and possible emerging technologies coming from semiconductors. If you're expert in semiconductors, then you know a little bit more about those things already. But then there are other perspectives like career. How can you think about what to do in your life when it comes to your interest in semiconductors? And that's how we can get different perspectives from discussing from different points of view. And if you're not into the semiconductor as a technology, then you will know a little bit more about it by having an introductory course. And then basically this gives you input and food for thought, what you can think about when you choose the next things. If you want to go in this direction or if you want to go in this direction, all these things you base on information and people who you meet. At some point, the semiconductor experts and those who are experts in some other area, they will collaborate because semiconductors is everywhere. For example, take artificial intelligence. This is now booming, and those are using data centers, and data centers are using semiconductors. And like in my case, my field is silicon carbide semiconductor, then this is applied in data centers. And when you use all this data, you have the big perspective how to combine them all together in the society. So all these things are very, very interesting and fascinating. And if we know more about it, we can make decisions for our career and what to do in next things. And that is why we have an introductory course about semiconductors, innovation, and career, and emerging technologies.